Hi guys, you're welcome back to Blessing Morris TV. Today we are going to make corn and beans porridge. Fresh corn with beans porridge. If you try this, very sweet. I want to teach you guys how to make fresh corn and beans porridge. Please subscribe to my channel. You're going to learn so many food recipes. Our ingredients for today is fresh corn. Fresh corn. We have brown or white beans. You will use brown or white beans, but I'm going to use brown beans today. We have palm oil. We have correct palm oil. We have smoked fish. You have smoked fish. You can use fresh fish or dried fish, but I love smoked fish. We have fresh pepper. We have onions. We have crayfish, grinded crayfish, and we have seasoning cubes, and of course we have salt. Let's start by parboiling the corn, parboiling the fresh corn. Right now corn is in season, so you can get yourself a fresh corn. Even if you don't get fresh corn, you can use dried corn, but you have to boil it overnight very well, so it will become very soft. But fresh corn is always better. Fresh corn is more delicious. It tastes very natural. So after boiling about 30 minutes, you have to let it cool down. Let it cool off for some minutes before peeling the corn. But right now, let's parboil our beans. I love parboiling my beans before cooking to avoid stomach upset. I love parboiling my beans. When you add it into hot boiling water, just 5 minutes, you wash it off. As you can see, I'm washing it off to avoid stomach upset. Please always wash your beans. If you can't parboil, just wash it with very hot water. So guys, let's start peeling the corn. Let's peel the fresh corn into pieces. So as you can see, I'm done peeling the corn, so I will transfer it into a bowl and keep aside. Now I boiled hot water and add my washed beans, my already parboiled beans, and I'm adding the corn immediately. I don't have to wait because this corn needs to boil very well. The corn needs to be very soft, so you don't want to test a very soft beans and hard corn. So I'm adding the corn immediately. Remember, the corn has been parboiled and the beans has been parboiled too. So I have cooked this till it becomes very soft. Like right now, the beans is soft and the corn is soft. It's time to add the ingredients. I start by introducing the onions. Followed by the smoked fish. So I have to add some seasoning cubes at this point to make the smoked fish taste very nice. I added my salt. I cover up for a few minutes, just 2 minutes, so they can steam together. Then I will add my fresh pepper. This is where you add your fresh pepper. You can use dried pepper as well, and add my grinded crayfish immediately. Like right now, all the ingredients needed for this porridge is here. So finally, you add your palm oil. Finally, add your palm oil, stir together and cover up to boil for about 10 minutes. 6 to 10 minutes. Then our fresh corn and beans porridge is ready. The fresh corn and beans porridge is ready. You don't have to let the water dry it too much. You understand? So it will be very porridge. Please guys, please subscribe to my channel, subscribe and click on the notification bell to enable you get notifications whenever I drop a new video. This is not the only thing I cook here. I made fried rice. Please go back to my previous video. You will see where I made fried rice. You will learn how to make correct fried rice. I make achicha. This is Enugu achicha. If you are in Enugu state, you will know. If you are from Enugu, you will understand. I made ofaku. I make ofaku very well. So come and learn how to make all this in my channel. If you scroll down to my videos, you will see all the videos of the food I made. Please click on them and watch them. Go to my previous video. You can see the abacha. Now this is egusi soup. So this is not the only food I make. I make so many of them. This is school lunch idea, how to make noodle. And this is tomato stew. All these I make them in this channel. Please go to my previous video and view all of them. Learn how to make all this delicious meal. This is onugbo soup, that's bitter leaf, and this is oha soup. I make all these delicious meal you are seeing here in my channel. Thank you so much guys for joining me today. See you in my next video.